Hello. This is Drew with Michigan Adventure Life.
And this is Dick.
And this is John. And we're sitting here at our deer camp, just enjoying a nice little steak dinner before we go to sleep on the eve of opening day for gun season for deer.
Got some wonderful steaks from Diego. Hashtag steaks of Diego. And some cheese and some bread. We're going to have some monstrous steak sandwiches.
So we're just gonna, kick back, eat our steaks, drink some beer, and relax before we go try and kill some whitetails.
Legendary Michigan buck.
The elusive Michigan white-tailed deer.
Spiky boys.
Stick a spiky boy.
Well, good morning, friends. It's bright and early on this beautiful Michigan opening day of deer season. Dick's getting up. John's getting our fire ready. We're gonna saddle up and put some orange on and get out there, man. See you in the field.
And our tree stands for a little bit. Haven't seen anything. It's probably a little after 7:30 maybe at the latest. Already heard 2 gunshots. Not from any of us, but someone's getting deer.
Okay, I'm out in my field. I got my attractive scent set up. Just getting into shooting light. I'm gonna get up in my tree. Wish me luck. I just seen 3 deer go by. I couldn't tell if they were bucks or doe, but right over there, be some spiky boys nearby. Haven't seen anything. Heard some stuff moving around, but I don't know if it was deer. I hear a lot of people shooting though, so I gotta go to work. I have a lot of hope for Dick and John though. I'm gonna head out. Maybe I'll show you camp on my way out. Check out this beautiful place though. Ah, the brave Michigan hunter. Pursuing the elusive white-tailed deer.
I seen some.
Why didn't you kill them?
They were does.
Are you warm in there?
It's kind of warm in there.
Oh. It's not warm in the tree at all. Figured I'd give you my call and stuff too.
That was you? Figured.
Sound like the real thing. Just went to John's tree stand. He had tracks, people tracks, leading out from his stand, and he wasn't there. So I'm guessing he got cold. I'm gonna go get Dick, because I don't feel comfortable leaving Dick out here alone. John's gone. I think Dick's gonna decide to stay out here.
Yeah, I see about 3 deer up that little ridge there. I'm assuming they're does, because I couldn't find any antlers when I was scoping them out. So.
Well, deer are deer.
Yeah.
Does bring bucks.
They do.
Okay, well, if you're comfortable, I'm gonna assume John got cold and send him back out here to make sure you're fine. I'll have him turn his radio on.
Dick tip. Don't layer up with your outer layer before you hike into the woods. You're gonna sweat and then you're gonna get cold. Best thing is pack it out and put it on when you get there.
Love you.
Love you.
I'm gonna hike back. John's okay. He's probably just getting warm by the fire. I'll give him my snowsuit so he doesn't freeze tonight. Keep hearing gunshots. One of them will be us eventually. A short 2-mile hike back, and there we are. Home sweet tent. I can see by the smoke coming up that John's in there getting warm. Glad we found him. Let's go check out inside. So this is it. Fort GreenBear. There's John. I guess if you need a tour, this would be the kitchen area with the wood stove. Got a nice propane lantern, puts out a lot of light. Big old wood pile, keep us warm. The drinking / eating station. And our cots. It's cozy, it's warm. I gotta pack up my stuff, head out, come back in a couple days, try and get one. Good luck, John.
Thanks, man. Good luck when you come back.
Yeah, thanks.
Hopefully we'll have gotten one by then.
Hopefully we'll get a couple by then.
I'll set up in the ground blind. Got my pump action 30-6 with a scope. Really hoping I get a spiky boy. Gunshots. Look what I just noticed.
Me and Dick are back from the evening hunt. Drew left middle of the day, around noonish or so. He had to go back home and do actual work. So it's just us up here now. No success of actually killing anything, but we saw some deer. Dick saw a guy cart a deer out in front of him.
Yeah, there's a guy from nowhere on the side and just right through my path of sight where I was hunting. Dragging a deer on a cart. Like it was nothing.
Right, and that's how it goes on opening day.
Yeah.
Alright, well we got the stove the stove rocking. It's getting pretty warm in here. We're probably gonna drink some beers, maybe eat some food, hang out for the rest of the night.
Good morning, MIAdventureLife. It's Dick, John. John's getting the fire all set. Day 2. Gonna go out, set a little scents, try and get some bait, see if we can shoot a deer.
The spiky boy.
Spiky boy. Alright, day 2. I'm gonna be up in Drew's tree stand. Got a little bit of snow overnight. Probably good 3 inches or so. Gonna chop up some beets for bait. Got them guys all chopped up. Hopefully you get some bugs out here. We can get a spiky boy. Dig tip. If you slice up your sugar beets, it spreads the aroma around. Tracks deer a little better than just letting them sit.
We've been in the stands for about an hour. It is beautiful out. It is snowing. It's not that cold, and there's no deer. But hopefully the snow lets up and the deer will want to move. If they sleep all day today, maybe they'll be moving tomorrow too.
Putting the blind down. Heard a few gunshots. Haven't seen nothing yet. Got some apples spread around down there. Hopefully the apples bring them in. Get me a spiky boy.
So this is the view out of my tree stand. My luck, there'll be a deer that we see. Dick is right there in Drew's tree stand, not that you can see him. And right back there in the clearing, right yonder, is where my 3 deer have been that I've seen. Perfectly placed so I can't shoot them. Not that I saw them today, but either way.
I lost the contact in this eye. But it's okay, because I shoot with this eye. I'm left eye dominant. But, dig tip, always bring extra contacts. I brought some, but they're in my truck, so it's not going to do me so good out here, but at least I still got my aim at eye.
I'm borrowing Drew's onesie. It's fantastic. I don't think he's getting this thing back. I think it's my new onesie.
so you can see my bag. Gun's right down there. Probably gonna unclip, head down. Talk to Dick first, then head down. It's been too long for the drawn burr. Even in the winter, you gotta give it. Just got back to the tent. Dick's here. This is our wood wall is still going strong. We're gonna have to split some. We got a lot of big wood, so we're gonna have to start splitting it to get into the stove. But we might do a little of that. We're certainly gonna eat some food, drink something, probably beer, because you know.
Saw more hunters than deer.
We did. We saw 3 hunters.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't see any deer. Dick saw a deer. We just got back to the tent. We're getting the stove going, getting some beers going. Probably eat something. Play a little rummy. Munchkin rummy, mummy.
Munchkin rummy.
And then head back out. Packing up to head out for the evening hunt.
Yep.
We got our gear. Dick's ready. I'm ready.
All set.
We're gonna head out. Get us some deer.
Oh, you're in the evening hunt. Whole lot of nothing. Not even a doe. Nothing. You can see I got some bait. Just waiting on the spiky boy.
Just about out of any light to see anything, so I go grab Dick and head back in. An eventful evening of hunting, but you know, a lot of beaver. Watched a beaver cut down a tree actually. No deer, but beaver. Alright, we just got back to the tent after the evening hunt. Strangely unsuccessful evening hunt.
Strangely.
There's always tomorrow. We're gonna relax our little beat up. The hikes are starting to take their toll on us, but we got beer. And we got food. And we got the stove. So it's not that bad.
It's the night of, what, day 3?
Day 3.
Day 3. End of the night, just chowed down on some mashed potatoes and mac and cheese. We're beat to hell. Gonna get at it early in the morning. Any parting words, John?
No.
No. Okay. Night, guys.
It's the morning here of day 4 or so. Got Dick in the shadows behind me. Late morning, late start, but we got to get Dick packed up so he can go home and work. So we're going to go get his truck running, and then I'll be heading out for the hunt. We'll let you know how it goes.
Good luck, John.
Thank you. Good luck at work.
If you use a crocheted face mask, you can slip a cigarette through the